Hey, hi, Sue Moore here, your guide to healthy and beautiful skin. Today, the question is, would you like to improve your skincare? Well, and I know that sounds just kind of, well, sure, why wouldn't you? But I read an article from a 70-year-old French woman, and I thought at first that it was going to be an article on cooking. And I thought, oh, cool, so I started to read it and I realized, it isn't about cooking, it's about skincare and some of her golden rules for healthy skin according to this 70-year-old author. So I've got my notes here, so I make sure I get everything correct. But, and I did pick up a couple of cute little tidbits and I wanted to share them. So here we go. First of all, her premise is that beauty really comes from the inside out. So a good product can be amazing, but if your lifestyle isn't good, then you're jeopardizing the product, and put a more definite emphasis on the term beauty sleep. Okay, so here are her some of her tips to promote a longevity and health of your complexion. And pretty much so, I think she's pretty spot on. First is cleansing. And she suggests that most women do not know how to cleanse. She suggests that what you should do is use circular motions all over, because that will help dislodge the oil and the dirt on the skin. And here's the part that I thought was so interesting. She suggests that unless you have very, 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 very dry skin, you should double cleanse. I had never heard that before. And she said that way you ensure that all of the gunk on your face would go right, is gone. If you don't do that, then when you scrub your face and the pores are somewhat opened, if you don't double cleanse them, the gunk's going to go right back in the pore and clog it up. I thought, well, gee, that's interesting. I didn't know that. So, and then the second step is using a toner. And we've talked about that. She believes that they are essential for healthy skin, and they really do complete the cleansing process. Plus, they will close up the pores, so the pores are not real big. Exfoliating, love this one. She says chemical peels and scrubs are too aggressive for the skin because the skin on her face is pretty thin and delicate. It needs to be treated with respect and care. But I loved this next description. Wait to hear this. I'm going to read it so I get it right. She describes exfoliating as a little broom in your pores that takes away all the dead skin cells that are stuck. I thought, how cute is that? Can you just see all those little brooms going all over your face? Yeah, I just think that's so funny. Okay. And then she says, and don't forget about your body, because many times we stop here and we don't do the bottom half of our body or 3/4 of our body. So she reminds us, and this is so true, our skin is the largest organ of our body. I guess when you think of the word organ, you think of like a heart or a liver or a kidney or something. You don't think of skin as being an organ, but it really is. And so we need to treat the body with hydration creams or oils, whatever your preference is, just like you would do on your face, only made for the body. So after you take care of your face, there's nothing more to do than to go out and just share how beautiful you look with all your friends. So that's it for today. Now, a couple things. If you'd like a few more skincare tips, you can go on over to my blog. I've got several videos over there that will give you some tips depending on what you're looking for. And if you're still struggling with knowing what would be the best skincare for you, message me and I'll be happy to send you a link that I have that'll take you to a page where you can get professional information, FREE. And the reason I promote that is because it will save you time and money. If you know where you're supposed to be spending your skincare dollars, you are no longer spending money on products that overpromise and underdeliver. I always get that backwards. I don't know why. But anyway, we no longer want to spend money on products that overpromise and underdeliver. And with that, I am signing off. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and share. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.